Good morning, guys. Today, what we are going to see is some of the important theorems for class 10th mathematics from perspective. This is mainly for cbse students. If state board students can also understand it well and good, and it is some of the most important concepts which can be used for competitive exams also. The first theorem is basic proportionality theorem. Uh, you guys can refer to page number 124, theorem 6.1 in class 10th NCERT textbook for this theorem. And the statement is, okay, let us start. Given statement is nothing but if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay, first let us understand the given diagram in the textbook. Nothing but first we are drawing a triangle ABC. Note that BC should be the base of the triangle. We are considering the triangle to be like that only to prove this theorem. Okay, from the statement we know very well that we should prove that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay, let us understand the diagram in more detail. ABC is a triangle where BC is the base and DE is the parallel side drawn to the base BC. Okay, now in the construction part, we are constructing B, that is joining BE and CD. Note that the joining parts are in dotted lines. Please to ensure that you also draw the same. And similarly, the second part of the construction is drawing altitudes DM to AC and EN to AB. Now, we should find the area of different triangles to prove the ratios are equal. Okay, first let us consider the triangle ADE. Okay, area of triangle ADE would be half times base into height, which would be equal to half times AD into EN. So area of triangle ADE would be half times AD into EN. Similarly, if we consider triangle BDE, this part, down part, we can write that it would be half times DB or BD into EN. And similarly, if we consider the same triangle ADE but considering DM as the altitude or the height, we can also write area of triangle ADE would be half times AE into DM, and area of triangle DEC, the down part, the second triangle in the down part, base part, would be half times EC into DM. Now, dividing the areas of different triangles, first we are dividing area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE. We can write area of triangle ADE as half times AD into EN divided by half times DB into EN, in which half and half EN and EN would cancel, and we would get that AD by DB as the answer. And similarly, area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle DEC, when we take the ratios of these areas, we can get half time AE into DM divided by half times EC into DM, where DM and DM cancel, half and half cancel, and we get AE by EC. We shall consider these two areas, a ratio of these two areas as 1 and 2. And that's an important note given here. The important note is that area of triangles, irrespective of that, when we consider the diagram here, we know that triangles BDE and DEC and ADE lie between the same base and lie between the same parallels. From that point, we can say that area of triangle BDE would be equal to area of triangle DEC. Now, from these three equations, we can conclude that AD by DB would be AE would be equal to AE by EC. From this, basic proportionality theorem is proved. Now, let's see what